This is Catman, and
He hasn't slept in 3 months.
whenever he goes to bed, every part of him shuts down except for one thing. His brain. Catman can't stop thinking. So to try and fix this, he takes his phone and stuffs it in his face for
3 fucking hours straight.
watching videos in hopes that they'll finally help him ease into falling asleep. But unsurprisingly, this only makes things worse. And he's exhausted. He wakes up late, goes to bed late, and falls asleep late. His days feel shorter, he's more drained and tired than ever, but the cycle seems to repeat itself every day.
一体どうなってんだよ。ただクソ眠りたいだけなのに、それってそんなに贅沢な望みかよ。
Actually, no, it's not. He just gotta be like Dog and do 5 simple things. Number 1, dump it out. What's the real reason Catman can't fall asleep to begin with? 9 times out of 10, it's usually because his brain can't stop thinking. Whether it's because of embarrassing memories, stress, or his brain just trying to be Socrates at 3 a.m., his head seems to be full and it won't stop running. Getting a piece of paper or his phone and writing or recording anything that might be on his mind can help clear any negative or worrying thoughts in Catman's mind, making it much easier to fall asleep. 2. Follow the rules. Believe it or not, Catman's brain is still following instincts similar to a
Caveman.
It gets sleepy when it thinks it's night, and it wakes up when it thinks it's morning. The problem is, Catman does not follow these instincts at all. He doesn't really have a sleep schedule. In fact, some days he'll sleep early, while on other days he'll literally go to bed at
The crack of dawn.
Unfortunately, that's not gonna work for him at all. Catman will have to follow the rules. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, being in a cool, temperatured, and dark environment, and having a short but simple night routine are all important habits that Catman should pick up and repeat if he wants to better his chances of getting more sleep. 3. Phone. This here is a tricky topic to deal with because for 3 months straight, Catman has depended on his phone in order to fall asleep. Because without it, he'll have to sit awake with his overwhelming thoughts for
Hours on end.
So instead of getting rid of his phone altogether, he'll put it to the side and set it up to play some calming music, and then grab a graphic novel for him to read until he dozes off. Obviously, it's not as efficient compared to if he were to just fall asleep immediately, but it's a lot less stimulating compared to doom scrolling for hours, and it still helps his mind relax and fall asleep. After a couple of weeks, he'll replace his music and graphic novels with something less stimulating, like reading a book with just words. He'll then replace that after a few more weeks with a podcast or a story playing from his phone. Catman will keep subbing his methods of falling asleep slowly but surely until he's able to bear with just laying down in the dark. Number 4, military method. After all the lights are closed, his phone away, and his voice recording about his day is done, Catman will do the military method. He'll start by tensing up his head and face as much as possible for around 10 seconds. He'll then relax for 20 seconds and move down to his shoulders and neck. Then he'll tense and relax his arms and torso, and lastly, his legs and feet. Afterwards, he'll then close his eyes and imagine as if he was floating in the ocean, pool, or any gentle body of water. This method does a lot of things to his body, from relaxing his nervous system, muscles, his heart rate, and telling his brain to go from being alert to calming down, ultimately making it easier for him to fall asleep. Now, with Catman's newly found knowledge, he follows these simple but important steps for a week, and immediately after is able to get double the hours of sleep he'd normally get before. Now it's your turn to be like Catman.